most parents are keen on sending the children at an appropriate time and to maintain punctuality. But in the process, how we get our child ready for this particular time factor is what determines whether the child would fall in love with the school or not. Most parents, they keep saying that the school bell will ring, or the school van will come and go away, the teacher will get angry if we go late, or they will close the doors of the school. So these are all considered as the cues that most parents give to their children to get their children ready on time. But what happens, the children start perceiving as the school is a terrorizing place where they will not allow me inside if I don't go at a particular time. So that makes a child feel that I am not wanted by the school. So to avoid this, how we get our children ready for school for the next day. So if this operation starts much early, like even when we are playing in the evening, we can keep saying, hey, tomorrow the teacher will be waiting for you, you can go sing this rhyme for them, or tomorrow you can wear this dress, because most play schools do not have uniform. So you can wear this dress and go, so that will be very helpful. And during bedtime, there are a lot of things waiting for you tomorrow, for which you will have to get ready with a bright smile. Unless you have a good night's sleep tomorrow, you will not be smiling all through in your class, and your friends will be happily laughing, so you can also laugh with them, you can play with them. So that way give positive cues to what to look forward at school. So the child learns that, okay, to feel bright and fresh the next day, I have to fall asleep. So similarly, at the time of waking up in the morning, normally what parents do, oh, it's time for school, get ready, come on, leave the bed, it is time to get ready. But this does not work. But what we can do is tell the child, see, there is something really nice waiting for you. I have been waiting all along to see you being cheerful, and I have been missing your conversation, so that is why I am waking you up now. But I am sure that I will have you only for 1 hour, 1.5 hours here, because you will have to go and converse and create friendships with new people at school, because I am definitely older than you, but you are having same age group children at school with whom you can play, with whom you can interact, with whom you can pick up small fights and also enjoy the consequences, and at the same time be affectionate, friendly and warm, and also learn from the teachers, and the teachers are going to wait to appreciate you for not only the skills that you are going to pick up, but also the way you address them and way you respect them. So once we tell them this, the child gets ready to look forward to a positive day at school. So that way the child understands that school is a place where they are able to get same age group children, and secondly, there they are having very affectionate adults who are ready to treat the children with respect and love and affection and warmth.